Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the SaaS applications I've been working on. Actually, I've been working on it for a while now, and I feel it is high time I started talking about it. And guys, it's not one of those $1 million startups, right? Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. The idea is pretty simple. It helps businesses, digital marketers, or anyone who wants to generate leads in the shortest amount of time to do that in minutes. And not just doing them in minutes, but it also creates content that sound very much like them, and also the ability to automatically generate download pages or capture pages that they can either embed on their websites or any other places to capture leads. Let's take a look at how the front end looks. Actually, I'm a backend guy, and I don't know so much about front end design, but I came up with this. So let's take a look at how it is actually. So the pricing is generic. We've not really set the pricing yet, and that will be changed while when we launch. Okay, so I've already implemented like all the functionalities. Okay, not all. We still have other things to do, but I've implemented like the authentication and the ebook generation logics and everything we need. Okay, let's take like the login. So the login, both the Google sign up is also working as it should, and also the sign up and everything. I think the next thing I need to do right now is connecting it with I'm not going to use Stripe, but I think I'm going to go with Lemon Squeezy for charging clients and all of that. So that's that for the front end. For the idea validation, actually I haven't really done anything apart from talking with some of my ideal customers, but I haven't like run any ads. So I have a plan of creating like a waitlist page and then running ads from either LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram, and then I'll see how it goes. So the tech stacks I'm using are Python Django for backend logics and authentication and all of that. So, and for the front end, I'm just using HTML and CSS and then JavaScript. That's all I'm using. There is no framework. So one of the important things I learned in this journey is start very early to talk to your target audience, and this will like help you to gain insights and refine your product. So another thing I learned is that in building startups, time is super important. So instead of focusing on a lot of features, build an MVP and launch as soon as possible. So the last thing I would say is that building startup is actually one of the best ways to solidify your coding skills. Within this short period I've been building this application, I've bought courses both Udemy and other places, and also YouTube channels, but there are a lot of these tutorials that don't seem to help you until you begin to actually work on them. So build, that's all.